Hi, we were given to find the value of x for the equation x squared minus x cubed equal to 36. Our equation was given as x squared minus x cubed equal to 36. Now, we will move 36 to the left-hand side, and our equation becomes s squared minus s cubed minus 36 equal to 0. But minus 36 can be expressed as minus 9 minus 27, because we have x raised to the power of 2 here, and we have x raised to the power of 3. We can also express 9 and 27 in the power of their base to have 3 raised to the power of 2 and 3 raised to the power of 3. So therefore, this equation becomes x squared minus x cubed minus 9 minus 27 equal to 0. So we have x squared minus x cubed minus, we can express 9 as 3 squared minus, and express 27 as 3 cubed equal to 0. Now, our equation can be expressed as s squared minus 3 squared minus s cubed minus 3 cubed equal to 0. Now, if we group our terms, our equation becomes s squared minus 3 squared minus s cubed plus 3 cubed equal to 0. Now, if you observe, we have difference of 2 squared, and we also have sum of 2 cubed. But we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Also, a cubed plus b cubed can also be expressed as a plus b multiplied by a squared plus b squared minus ab. We can now say that our equation becomes x minus 3 for the difference of 2 squared multiplied by x plus 3 minus x plus 3 multiplied by s squared minus 3x plus 9. Everything enclosed in a bracket equal to 0. We can factor out x plus 3, and we have that our equation becomes x plus 3, factor that, we have x minus 3 minus x squared minus 3x plus 9, all included in the bracket, equal to 0. Now, from our equation, we can use our negative sign to open up this bracket. So our equation becomes x plus 3, open up the bracket, x minus 3 minus times x squared is minus s squared. Minus times minus 3s is plus 3x. Minus times plus 9 is minus 9. Close the bracket, equal to 0. At this point, we can simplify the expression inside our bracket. So we have that our equation becomes x plus 3, all enclosed in a bracket, minus s squared plus s plus 3s is giving us plus 4s minus 12 equal to 0. But if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it is given that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore, we have that x plus 3 is equal to 0 or minus s squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So therefore, at this point, x is equal to minus 3. Now, considering minus s squared plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0, we use a quadratic formula to find the root of the equation. So therefore, we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now, from our quadratic equation, the coefficient of x squared, which is a, is equal to negative 1. Also, the coefficient of x, which is b, is given as positive 4. And our constant c is given as negative 12. So upon substitution, we have that x will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 4 squared minus 4 times minus 1 times minus 12, all divided by 2 times minus 1. So therefore, our equation becomes minus 4 plus or minus root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times minus 1 is 4. 4 times minus 12 is minus 48. Divided by 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So therefore, our equation becomes minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 48 is giving us minus 32 divided by minus 2. And this can further be expressed as minus 4 plus or minus root of minus 1 times 32 divided by minus 2. But root of minus 1 is giving us I. So our equation becomes x equal to minus 4 plus or minus I root of 32 divided by minus 2. Now, if we express 32 as a product of its factor, we have that minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 times 2 divided by minus 2. So our equation becomes minus 4 plus or minus 4 root of 2I divided by minus 2. Now at this point, we can factorize 2 from our numerator. So x is equal to minus 2, open the bracket, 2 plus or minus 2 root of 2I divided by minus 2. Minus 2 can cancel out minus 2. So our equation becomes x equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root of 2I. Thus, for positive value, we have that x is equal to 2 plus 2 root of 2I, and for negative value, we have that x is equal to 2 minus 2 root of 2I. We obtain that x1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2I, S3 is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2I. Now, let's check if our equation is correct. So we have that s squared minus s cubed is equal to 36. For s equal to minus 3, we have that minus 3 all squared minus 3 all cubed is equal to 36. Minus 3 all squared is 9, minus 3 all cubed is minus 27 equal to 36. So we have 9 minus times minus is plus 27 equal to 36. So therefore 36 is equal to 36. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.